I'm going to be showing you how to install Credit Karma in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is open your app library when in your iPhone, and once you're there, you just need to tap on the search button and search for App Store, which is right at the top. Let's go ahead and tap here. And once you're here, you just need to look at the bottom right where you can see the search button. After you find the search button, just go ahead and tap here. And now all you need to do is type in Credit Karma and press enter. And right at the top, you can find Intuit Credit Karma right there. Just go ahead and tap here. So this is the Credit Karma app. Just tap on Get and verify yourself. After you've done that, the download process would automatically begin. So there you go. As you can see, it has started downloading. So in this way, you can successfully download Intuit Credit Karma in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.